And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your eBay account. So for those people who do not know eBay is an online place where you guys can buy and sell any stuff, alright? So that's the basic definition of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of eBay to know more about it. Then eBay is the top on buying and selling stuff on online, alright? Basically, you can, sell the stuff which you don't use, or you can sell the stuff which you want to sell to get some money, alright? So that's basically the, basic gist of it, alright? And you can also buy second-hand stuff. So let's get into the video. But once you're in the search engine, you want to search for ebay.com, which is the official website of eBay. Once you click on ebay.com, it's going to take you to the official website of eBay. Now, once you're over here, if you guys want to sign in, you can click on sign in. If you guys want to register your account, you can click on register. Since I want to log in into my account, I can click on sign in over here, and it's going to take me to the sign in page over here. Now, once over here, I can enter my email or username of my account. Entering the email or username, I can click on continue, and if it is correct, then it's going to take me to the page where I can enter the password of my account. And after I enter the password of my account after this step, then basically I should be able to log in into my eBay account. And if I'm not able to log in into my eBay account, then basically my password or my email is incorrect. So make sure to double check and enter the correct information over here. And if you enter the correct information, you should be able to sign in into your eBay account. So this is basically the way on how you guys can sign in into your eBay account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.